Hi there, hope you're all doing well. This week's Zombicide Undead or Alive mini is Butch Cassidy from the Dead West set. He was black and white Zenithal primed, and I get started with Wyvern green for his jacket. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. You could also join Discord using the link in the description, where you can share anything you have been working on. Next up, I get his trousers done with Cork Brown as the base layer. For all of the exposed skin, I went for Elven skin as the first coat. His boots, hat and shirt all get a quick once over with reddish grey. Getting his hair and weapon handles base coated, I used Death Reaper. Now onto the highlights, starting off with Wolf Grey for the raised folds on his shirt. This is to give it that blue look that the artwork has and separate it from the boots and hat. To highlight his skin, I went for Elven Flesh. This clearly hasn't been used in a while though, as it's quite gloopy, but the wash does hide this in the end. Highlighting his trousers, I went for Aries Flesh over all of the raised flat areas. This is a pretty similar colour to Cork Brown though, so you can't really see much in a jump of contrast. The base, as with all of my current Zombicide minis, gets a once over with Plague Brown. To highlight his jacket, I went for Dark Green Grey. This desaturates the green and just leaves that darker colour in the recessed parts. The final highlight is warm grey over the boots and the hat. Getting the metal parts done, I went for plate armour on all of them. Finishing up, I wash everything with Archaic Sepia wash. Since there's a lot of large flat areas facing upwards as well, I made sure to come back in and pick up any excess just so it doesn't stain too much in these parts. Finally, I add some sandy desert texture to the base. And that will be it for Butch Cassidy. The wolf grey came out a little darker than I expected, but it still has that blue tint to it that I want, and it separates it enough that it looks okay. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. You could also join Discord using the link in the description, where you can share anything you have been working on. As always, if you want a closer look at this mini, check out my Instagram page. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. Most importantly though, be kind to each other.